Alright, this video we're going to go over how to reset the maintenance lights on the new Nissan Kicks. So the screen we're going to want for the oil light is all the way to the right under the cogwheel. That's the setting screen. Then we scroll down to maintenance, click OK, and there we can get in and reset the oil light. Go down, it'll make you confirm, yes, and then the mileage will reset. Now if you want to adjust the mileage, you go up, click OK, and then you can scroll up or down, set the mileage wherever you like. Nissan factory is 3750. Now to back up, it's the backwards return arrow, and that'll back you up one screen. Right and left to actually scroll the information center. So all the buttons you're going to need to navigate the driver information center: reset your driver preferences, reset the oil light, the maintenance light, set the mileage, and other. That's going to be all the buttons on the left hand side of the wheel. Don't worry about the ones on the right hand side of the wheel. That's for cruise control and other things. It's just the up, down, left, right, OK button, and that return arrow. And those buttons right there, that'll get you through any screens you need to get to and back out of them. Don't be afraid to mess anything up. Just hit a back arrow or the left or right arrow, and it'll get you out of whatever screen you're in. And then you can go into miles per gallon, your compass, or the digital tachometer. That's my favorite. And that's about it, guys. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Click subscribe if you like it. Until the next time, peace.